Good morning everyone. Now we are starting with exercise 2E. We are doing question number 1 to question number 6 sub part 2 in this video. So let's go with question number 1. Manish opens a recurring deposit account with the Bank of Rajasthan and deposit rupees 600 per month for 20 months. Calculate the maturity value of this account if the bank pays interest at the rate of 10% per annum. Now, principal is given as rupees 600. See here, time is 20 months, rate is 10%. So maturity value we have to find. Maturity value is total sum deposited plus interest, and maturity value is equals to P into N plus I. I means interest. Interest formula we have to put after P into N. Okay, let's do like that. Just put these values in this formula. Okay, let's see. This is I, interest. 600 into 20 plus 1, that is 21 upon 2 into 12. I have done step by step. You also do step by step. I have shown this calculation also so that you don't make mistake in calculations. Okay, so 20 into 20 plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into 10 upon 100. Just cut it. So 6 into 20 into 21 into 10 upon 2 into 12. After doing all this calculation, interest is 105 into 10, that is 1050 rupees. Okay, you must write here rupees. Okay, now maturity value is equals to P into N plus I, that is interest. So that will be 600 into 20. 600 is the principal. N means time. Time is 20 months. So 600 into 20. Interest we have found now, that is 1050. So just write it here. 600 into 20 plus 1050. So 600 into 20 is 12,000. Just take this 1050 down. So maturity value will be 12,000 plus 1050, that is 13,050 rupees. Okay, just write rupees. Okay, now question number 2. Mrs. Matthew opened a recurring deposit account in a certain bank and deposited rupees 640 per month for 4.5 years. Find the maturity value of this account if the bank pays interest at the rate of 12% per year. Let's see the solution on next page. Now given is what? Principal is rupees 640. Time is 4.5 years. I have told you always convert year into month. Always convert year into month. It becomes easy to solve, and it is necessary to convert year into month. So 4.5 year will be 4 to the 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So 9 upon 2 year. You know the fraction how to do it. Okay, so 9 upon 2 year. 9 upon 2 into 12, because 1 year is equals to 12 months. So 9 into 2 upon 12. So 2, 6 are 12. So 6 year. So 9 into 6 is 54. So 54 months will be 4.5 year. So 4.5 year is equals to 54 months. Rate of interest is given as 12% in the question. We have to find maturity value. We know maturity value is equals to P into N plus I. Right? We know this formula, right? I is P into N, N plus 1. 2 into 12 upon R upon 100 into R. Right? Now let's see I. We have to calculate I. See here, 640 into 54, because 54 months is the N. So N will be 54. 54 plus 1, that is N plus 1. 54 plus 1. Here it is given 55. I have solved step by step. 2 into 12 into 12 upon 100. See this calculation, and I will be 32 into 27 into 11. So I is rupees 9,504 rupees, right? Now maturity value we know. So P into N plus I. P into N, principal is 640. We know that. Just see it here. Principal is 640. N means time. Time is 54. We have converted year into months. So 54 months. Just write it here. Plus 9,504. We found out interest. Just write it here. After doing this, you will get 44,064 rupees. Okay. Just multiply it Add it, you will get 44,064 rupees. Done with this question. Now question number 3. Each of A and B open a recurring deposit account in a bank. If A deposited rupees 1,200 per month for 3 years and B deposited rupees 1,500 per month for 2.5 years, find on maturity who will get more amount and by how much. The rate of interest paid by bank is 10% per annum. This is the sum, like we have solved examples in a previous video. You can refer that video before seeing this exercise, because sums come from solved examples also in exam. So just see solved examples. I have explained it very clearly. You will understand it. Okay. Now question number 3. A here, B here. I have done like this. Okay. So A, the principal is rupees 1,200. So we will consider P1 and P2. Principal 1, principal 2. N1, N2. Time 1, time 2. Rate of interest 1, rate of interest 2. Like that we will consider. Okay. So P1 is rupees 1,200. You can just see here. Okay. Sorry. You can just see here. Okay. Now N1 is 3 year. 3 year is equals to 36 months. 1 year is 12 months. So 12 into 3 you can do, that is 36 months, right? So N1 is 36 months. R1 is 10%. Okay. Given in the question. Okay. Now B part we will find. P2 is rupees 1,500 given in the question. N2 2.5 year, that is also given, but we will convert it like 2.5 year. So N2 will be 30 months. How 30 months? See it here. 2.5, that will be 5 upon 2, right? So 2.5 year. So 30 months. So R2 will be 10% as given in the question. MV2 we have to find maturity value of 2 and maturity value of 1 we have to find. So let's find for maturity value 1. But for this we have to find this interest, right? We have to find interest. That's why we will first calculate the interest and then find maturity value for A and then we go with B. So let's do that. For A, I have written here I1 is equals to 1,200 into 36, 36 plus 1 in bracket upon 2 into 12 into 10 upon 100. Just put the values in the formula. It is pretty simple. Okay. See this calculation and see it here. I1 is equals to 6 into 3 into 37 into 10. So I1 will be 18 into 370, that is 370. Okay. Now I1 will, we have found out that is 6,660 rupees. Okay. Just write here rupees everywhere. Okay. So MV1 will be P into N plus I1. So P into N, principal is 1,200, N is 36. I1 we have found out that is 6,660. So that will be 43,200. That is the multiplication of 1,200 into 36 and just put it down. Okay. So MV1 we have found out that is 49,860 rupees, right? So maturity value of 1 we found out. Now let's see for B. B maturity value I2 will be 1,500 into 30, 30 plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into 10 upon 100. So that will be, we have done the calculation, just see it here. I2 will be 5 into 15 into 31 into 5. This, like this we have done, upon 2 is equals to 11,625 upon 2. So I2 we have found out that is 5,812.5. Okay. Maturity value of 2 will be same, the formula P into N plus I2. So 1,500 is the principal, 30 is the time, 30 months, plus 5,812.5 is the interest. So 45,000 will be the calculation of 1,500 into 30, plus just take this down. Okay. After doing this, you will get maturity value 2, that is 50,812.5 rupees. Okay. Now clearly from 1 and 2, we have considered this 1 and this as 2. So clearly from 1 and 2 we can see that B, that is second one, has got more maturity value. He has got more amount. So B gets more amount of maturity, that is ending. So difference between maturity value of A and B will be this minus this. So this minus this, we'll find it out. 50,812.5 minus 49,860 is equals to rupees 952.50. Extremely sorry, 952.50 rupees is the answer. Okay, now let's see question number 4. Ashish deposits a certain sum of money every month in a recurring deposit account for a period of 12 months. If the bank pays interest at the rate of 11% per annum and Ashish gets rupees 12,715 as the maturity value of this account, what sum of money did he pay every month? What sum of money did he pay every month? This we have to find. Okay, so let's see it here. Fourth one, principal, we don't know. Principal we have to find. Rate of interest is 11%. N is 12 month. Maturity value is rupees 12,715. We know that maturity value is equals to P into N plus P into N, N plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100. This is the formula. Okay. I will just make a clear box. Okay. So this 12,715, that is the maturity value, is equals to P, principal that we don't know, so just like write P there. N we know that is 12 months, so 12 we will write, plus P, we don't know principal, so just write it P there. 12 into 12 plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into 11 upon 100. Okay, so 12,715 is equals to P into 12 plus P into 13 upon 2 into 11 upon 100. Just see the steps and see the answer. P you will get as rupees 1,000. Just see the steps, all the steps, and just see the answer. Okay, I'm highlighting the steps. This is the answer. You can just see it. So just pause the video, see the steps, and do it accordingly and see the answer. It will be rupees 1,000 after calculation. Okay, now we will go with question number 5. Question number 5. A man has a recurring deposit account in a bank for 3.5 years. If the rate of interest is 12% per annum and the man gets rupees 10,206 on maturity, find the value of monthly installment. It is same as question number 4. Same as question number 4. Okay, but I am giving you the given and formula. According to formula, you just put the given one and calculate it. You will get the answer. Okay, so just see it here. Fifth, N is equals to 3.5 years. That is 7 upon 2 year. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7 upon 2 year. 7 upon 2 into 12, because 1 year is 12 months. So 7 upon 2 into 12. That is 42 months. Okay. R is 12%. MV is rupees 10,206. Okay. Principal we don't know. So we know that maturity value is equals to P into N plus P into N plus P into N, N plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100. This is the formula I am giving you. It is homework, solve it. In case you are not able to solve that, tell me in comment section of this video. I will solve and make a video on that. Anytime you can tell in comment section of this video. I will make a video. Surely make it and put it. Okay. Let's see question number 6, first subpart. Punit has a recurring deposit account in the Bank of Baroda and deposit rupees 140 per month for 4 years. If he gets rupees 8,092 on maturity, find the rate of interest given by the bank. Now let's see. Principal is given rupees 140. N is 4 year, that is 48 months. Just convert it. 12 into 4 is 48. See it here. Okay, 12 into 4 is 48. Now, maturity value is rupees 8,092. Rate of interest we don't know. We have to find it. Okay, we know that maturity value formula is this. Okay, this is the formula. We know that 8,092 is the maturity value. Principal is 140. N is 48. That is time. So P into N. So 140 into 48. N plus 1, 48 plus 1 is 49. 2 into 12, just like 2 into 12. R upon 100, R upon 100. R we don't know, that's why R upon 100. Just see this all calculations here. Just see this calculations. Pause the video and see this calculations. So 8,092. Okay. 6720 plus, see this, 14 into 12 into 49 into r upon 10. Okay, so that will be 8092 minus 6720. This goes here, that's why it is minus. We will do subtract it. So 1372 upon 10 into r. Okay, so 1372 come here, because after subtracting this comes. After that 1372 upon 10 into r. So r will be 1372 into 10, and this 1372 goes in divide this here. So it will be 10%. After doing this calculation, you can just cut this 1372 and 1372 like this, and you will get 10. So 10 is left, so 10% is the answer. It is very easy sums. Okay, David opened a recurring deposit account in a bank and deposited rupees 300 per month for 2 years. If he received rupees 7725 at the time of maturity, find the rate of interest per annum. See this 6 second part I am giving you as homework. It is same like question number 6 part 1. This sum, it is same like this sum. Okay, so if you are not able to solve, tell me in comment section. I will solve and upload a video. If you are really not able to solve, do tell me in comment section. Okay, but try it on your own also. Okay, so second part is principal. We have got rupees 300 in question. N is 2 years, that is 24 months. 12 into 2 we do, so that is 24, right? So maturity value is 7725. Rate of interest we don't know. Okay, so just solve like this question and tell me if you are not able to. Okay, thank you all. Subscribe to this channel, press the bell icon. It is necessary to press the bell icon so that when I upload my next video, you will automatically get a notification on your device that I have uploaded, and you will able to see this video, next video. So press the bell icon also, and like button if you really like this video. Thank you.